Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Raihan bin Rahaidin and I am from class 1.07. And today, I would like to give a speech about how technology influences student learning style. Did you know how can we get the technological development that we achieve today? Thanks to the revolution of industry, which started since year 1760, the uses of technology are now widely spread around the entire world. Started with IR 1.0. Now we are in phase to have an IR 4.0. Do you know what IR is? IR is Industry Revolution, and because of this revolution, people nowadays are achieving so many facilities. This is compared to the one of the purposes of the Industrial Revolution, which to ease people works and business. And one of the initiatives to achieve this type of purpose is by the creation of technology. People nowadays are using technology most of their times. For example, if we go anywhere, then we will see people around us are using their phones, scrolling Instagram, WhatsApp, or doing their works. One of the common users of the technologies are the students. So let's see how technology can affect the student learning style. One way that technology can affect student learning style is by afford better access to resources. Students nowadays can easily get access to any resource. Have you heard about the statement that said all the information are at our fingertips? I heard it before at television, if I am not mistaken. This statement shows us that we can get any information that we want just by clicking on the phones or our laptop through the internet. So, in terms of completing assignment, student can find any resource through the internet for completing their assignment. Therefore, due to this pandemic of COVID-19, students are not allowed to go to any library. This is regarding to the social distancing order. So, students can only find materials using their phones without going anywhere. Furthermore, students will be able to finish their work without taking too much time. Unless for the type of student who like to delay their work, then they will be late to finish their work. There are so many mediums of technology that can help students to find materials such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and explore. Not only that, students can also use social media such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, and SMS to contact their lecturer to ask about their coursework. That's all from me. Now I will let my friend Aqil to continue this speech with his point.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Muhammad Aqil bin Wan Ismail from PPISMP 1.07. The COVID-19 has resulted in schools shut all across the world. Globally, over 1.2 billion students are out of the classroom. As a result, the education has changed dramatically and drastically, with the distinctive rise of e-learning, whereby teaching is undertaken remotely and on digital platform. Research suggests that online learning has been shown to increase intention of information and take less time, meaning the change coronavirus have caused might be here to stay. The goal of online communication is the same as of that face-to-face communication, which is building link, share information, be heard and be understood. So, my speech today is based on topic sentence 2, which is technology provides long-term communication records. Working with the communication channels offer the additional benefits of holding long-term records of previous communication. Without taking notes, during tutoring session, a student later may forget a piece of information, advice, knowledge, and everything about the tutor gave. So, this digital paper trail is very important and effective in a number of other contexts. It allows students to review their assignment and send them the message when needed. There are many technology tools available to help increase the effectiveness of connection and communication with students, which is Google Meet, Google Classroom, WhatsApp, Messengers, Google Zoom meeting, and everything. So, if a student reach out to a tutor via an online learning platform or another media channel, the student can reference the tutor's response in the future instances where he need to recall the same information. So, I give the example where a teacher want to make online classes using online learning platform, which is Google Meet. So on that day, or during class session, one of the students from that class can't join and can't attend the class due to his reasonable reason. So the teacher can record the class using the Google Meet, because in Google Meet we have an option to record the class session. So when the teacher record and save the recording, so that person who can join that class can later refer to the recording, to the safe recording that the teacher record every time when he have free time. So here it's proof to us that that technology provide long-term communication. So I proceed to the next to my friend Muhammad Danial Haiqal to give his speech.
Now I am Muhammad Danial Haiqal bin Muhammad Nasir will continue the speech. So the third point is technology can promote innovative teaching techniques. How can I say like that? Technology can change the way we access the information, but also how we are taught about the information. The instructor become less of a sage on stage and more of a guide on the side. It means the teachers didn't teach the student for all the time in the classroom, but they only guide the student to use the technology. For the example, from accessing course material online to watch video recorded lectures, technology opens up possibility for teaching innovation. Besides that, the instructor can also use the classroom response system to assess students' understanding on course material and adjust the pace or content as needed in real time. In conclusion, the most important thing that we took away from this topic is technology is the large part of today's education. It is very important to not only use the technology but also have ability to learn new technologies. This benefit is not only for students but also for the teachers. From this topic, it also has shown us a few technologies that we will be able to use in our own future classroom. We are now better prepared to create a digital age classroom. This includes teaching students about the new technology, how it should and should not be used, assessing students with technology and inspiring creativity. So that's all from us. Thank you.